Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. Today we are stuffing some chicken breasts, wrapping them in bacon, and throwing them on the smoker. That's right, smoked, stuffed, bacon wrapped chicken breasts. This is going to be a very simple recipe, only a few ingredients that we're using all in total. I can't wait for you to see it. I can't wait to eat it. So let's get started. All right, we're gonna start with our filling today. And for that, we're gonna start with jalapenos. Now I am wearing gloves only because I'm terrible at the whole don't touch your eyes after you've been working with jalapenos thing. I had to learn that lesson the hard way, so hence the gloves. All right, I'm gonna start by basically just dicing these up. So we're going to remove the top there, and then I like to go right down the middle, just like that. And now we pull this out, and I'm going to use a spoon to just kind of go along that membrane, because this is where the heat is, the membrane and the seeds. So feel free to leave some of this in if you want it like super spicy, but it just comes out like that. And then just scrape the rest out, like so. All right, there's one pepper done. I'll go ahead and do these other two. All right, and there we have my jalapenos that have been cored and just cut in half. All right, so now we're just gonna dice these. So take two at a time here, and I like to go from this side down as opposed to this side because it makes it easier to cut, just like that. So I'm gonna go down the line here and just slice these even more, and then we'll give them a chop. Hello, I'm filming a video.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. And now we just chop these up. All right, that's about the size that I want. So let's take our next step. So here we have one block of softened cream cheese. To that, we add that beautiful jalapeno. And finally, this is a new seasoning that I got, Spanglish Asadero, I guess. It's an all-purpose, but what I love about this is that it's got citrus in it. It's this like kind of chili lime style or flavored seasoning. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this into the mix, but we're also going to use this as the primary seasoning on our chicken breast. So we'll go in with about that much, not a lot. And then using a spoon, just mix that together. It's important that the cream cheese is softened, otherwise this is gonna be kind of difficult. But you don't have to let your cream cheese sit out on the counter all day long. Put it in a microwave for like 15 seconds. All right, and once this is mixed together like it is now, we'll set this aside and grab our chicken. All right, and here are our chicken breasts. All right, now these have been rinsed thoroughly and dried. So we'll kind of go to the side here, and very sharp knife. Do this in a way that you can see it, maybe. We're gonna come right into the thickest part of the breast here and insert not all the way through, and just kind of like so. And I like to leave a little bit of this bottom intact rather than going all the way through, just because it makes it kind of more like a pocket that way. So we'll flip this over, just get a little more there. And now you can see I've got this nice little chicken pocket. That's what we'll call it. Let's do this other one. Same thing, thickest part of the breast, right about there. Go right down the middle, like so. Let's take a look here. Oh, yep, that'll happen. So this breast here had some kind of, I don't know, structural issues, I guess you could say. So, but that's not a big deal at all. We'll just kind of tidy this up, and then we'll make another little pocket. Fortunately, we've got enough meat to work with here. So now we've got a little bit of a thinner breast, but it will still work. All right, let's try this again. Again, right down the middle. Okay. And there we go. Now we've got our little pocket. Okay, let's just open it up a little bit more, just like we did on the first one. All right, very good. So now we're gonna come in and take our mixture that we made, and we're literally just gonna put this right into that pocket. Now the amount of this filling that I made is actually enough for like 4 to 6 chicken breasts, so we're not gonna use all of it. And remember, we are wrapping this in bacon, so that's gonna help sort of some of this like exposed stuff there, but that's pretty good amount. Now we'll go to this other one. Same thing, right into the chicken pocket. Man, this is gonna be so good. Okay, just make sure that that's filled in there. All right, so these bad boys are stuffed. Now it's time to season them. And so we're coming back with that chili, citrus deliciousness, a wonderful seasoning on there. We're gonna go kind of heavy, that's intentional. All right, gentle pat there just to make sure that everything has adhered. That seasoning smells delicious. Flip it over. Same thing. Okay, just like that, pat it in. Make sure that we give the sides some of that love. Same thing over here. All right, and now, did you forget about the bacon already? Can't forget about the bacon. I'm gonna slide this guy over to the side just a little bit. We'll take our bacon, we'll lay it on top of the chicken, kind of wrap it underneath the bottom, and then just do a wrap on it. Just like that. Grab another piece here. You'll notice that that seasoning is getting all over the bacon, which is beautiful. Like that. We'll finish it up with one more. There we go. Look at that. So nice. Slide that guy over because it's ready. And we'll do the same with this one. All right, there we have it. And now for just one little kick of flavor, you know where we're going. Just a little bit more of that seasoning. There we go. Perfect. All right, now let's talk about how we're gonna smoke these. Today I am smoking these chicken breasts on the Pit Boss Savannah Onyx Edition pellet grill. We're smoking at 225 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm using the Pit Boss Pecan Blend pellets. And we're gonna smoke these for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, just until it hits that internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm gonna just insert a wireless meat probe just to monitor that temperature. All right, I think I got everything covered. Let's get these on the smoker. All right, here we go, right on this grate. I don't want to put it right on the heat source just because I don't want the bacon to burn. So a little bit elevated is good. And you can see there's my meat probe I've got in there. And number 2. And that's it. So I'll see you in about an hour and a half or 2 hours. All right, right at 2 hours, and here they are. Woo, look at that. Go ahead and take this probe out. All right, let's let these rest for about 5 minutes or so, and then we'll be ready to dig in. All right, 5 minutes have come and gone. Let's see how we did. We'll use this guy. We'll go right down the middle. Oh, you see this? That's that goodness. Sharp knife. And oh man, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. That chicken is cooked perfectly. You could tell just how juicy it is, and that filling, oh, does that look good. All right, you guys know what time it is. It is time to try this incredible chicken. I cannot wait. So let's go ahead and make this a little bit more manageable from a bite perspective. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Stuffed, bacon wrapped, smoked chicken breast. Oh my. Oh my. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. I mean, it's delicious. You get the heat from the jalapeno, the creaminess of that cream cheese. Chicken cooked perfectly, like I said, really, really juicy. Bacon is great. I love my bacon like this. If you wanted it to be a little bit crispier, you could use thin sliced bacon, and that would do the trick. But this is still great. And oh my gosh, that seasoning. You gotta try this. So easy, so delicious. And yeah, combined with that smoke flavor, you get just this really intense flavor from this entire thing, but it all works beautifully together. This is incredible. Well, I'm gonna go dig in some more to this, but thank you once again for tuning into the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. And if you like this video, make sure that you click that thumbs up. And thanks for subscribing. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you click the little bell to turn on the post notifications so you're one of the first people to know as soon as we post new content. And do yourself a favor, check out one of these 2 videos next. Things that we've done here recently on the channel, absolutely delicious, and I'll see you next time.